welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella, and today we are going to carry out a little bit of surgery. The surgery we're carrying out is on Hope. It is a month since I put Hope in the pot, and Hope is doing well. Let me show you what I'm talking about, and then we'll get on and get her chopped up and repotted up. As you can see, Hope is doing really well. She has done well and she is looking good. So today I'm going to separate her and see how many pieces I can create out of this one potato, which has decided that it is going to let me have a little bit of fun with this challenge. I hope you can see it well because I'm not necessary to this. So let's take Hope out and have a look and see how she's doing in here. She's done really well. The roots are actually coming through, which is fantastic. So now I just need to gently tease her out and see how we're doing. There we are. Check out all that. Isn't that fantastic? It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? So let me get on and see how well we can actually cut her apart. Okay. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take all the soil off of her. Well, I can't really, can I? But we can actually see that here, I actually took a part of Hope that was coming off and put it slightly separate, just here. And look, it's actually created its own little space there and is growing well. So that one is going to be cut off. That's the first section that we're taking off, and we're going to put this up into a smaller pot because it doesn't need that bigger pot. So I'll use one of these and get Hope in there. Hold on, let me move this one out of the way. We want all the, oh my days, look at you trying to kill what you're trying to grow. How awful is that? So let's get this filled up. I'm not even out of my night yet, and I'm already busy trying to sort out Hope. I thought that this was the perfect day to get Hope repotted because I've seen everyone else's potatoes and they're all doing so fantastic. So obviously I feel left behind. But I started late because Malika died, and now I've got a worm in here. Now, why would you do that? I know that this soil is lovely, but sweetie, I don't want to kill you. So now, can you see? I'm going to cut in between here because we've got a plant this side and we've got another plant that side. So let's cut in between. I just have to make sure I'm not cutting. Oh, I need to use the other side. This is scary, but it is a needs must situation. So we have one side potato, and I'm not going to try and cut the small one off. And then we've got the bigger side of the potato. So let's put them in two separate pots, and that will be it. Okay. So I need to fill these guys with compost in order that our friends can actually sit like this. The roots are growing really well on this potato, so I need to get enough compost in there so that they can actually sit totally and completely in the bottom. So I just need to work out where to put them whilst I try and get all the compost that's in here. Take these guys out of the way, and this one, and this one. So I'm going to mix it all in. Make sure that it's a little bit wet, but not too wet, because I'm thinking that maybe Malika died because it was a little bit too wet for her. So we need to make sure that we're doing this as well as we can. This video is going to come so soon after I introduced you to Hope, but it's simply because I didn't want to introduce her. Oh my days. This one has 3 areas. I wonder if I could risk cutting her just here. Guys, I'm going to risk it, and this worm needs to leave here so that I can actually do it. There we go. So let me just go get a better knife than this so we can do that. Okay, let's do it. It's scary, but I think if I go like that, can you see? I think you can see. I'm going to cut it. Wish me luck. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. This is scary. Let me get a pot for her. This is very, very scary. But we have to have faith and we have to hope. So I'm going to sit her in like that. And then we're going to cover her up and hope that she will continue to grow. Oh, I didn't know how nerve-wracking this can be. There we are. That's one done. Now we go on to the second one. I'm going to have to go get compost from the back. So please give me a moment in order that I can actually go get more compost. Oh my days. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm putting a little bit of rooting powder into this next spot because we want our babies to root beautifully. So that's one lot done. Mix it in. Probably should put it into the one I'm putting here as well. So there we go. Okay. Again. Come on, sweetie. Let's get you. I'm just going to go like this. It's all going to be used anyway. Maybe that's a lot of rooting powder, but you know what? We're going to do everything we can to encourage Hope to grow and become the best she can be. So now we've got this part of Hope left, and I'm actually tempted to cut her again, despite the fact that it's risky. But this is part of why we do this, is to risk everything. So what have I got? Okay, I've got Hope 1. We've got Hope 2. Let's see if we can do this. Or should we wait? I'm going to do it. Let's do it. Stella is willing to risk it. There we are. Having been a nurse, I'm in the field of fear and do it anyway. Right. That's Hope 2. And now we put on Hope 3 as well. Being as gentle as I can, because it almost feels like Hope is barely attached to the potato. So we need to be as gentle as we can be with this Hope. All right, sweetie. Let's get you in there. Let's firm you in. And I'm actually going to cover her up right up to the leaves, because since this is a main crop potato, my assumption is if I actually put her in like this, she'll be all right. So that's hope 3. I feel like hope 2 needs to be buried a little bit deeper, so risking it though it is, I'm going to unbury her, bring this out a little bit, put her in. She needs to go deeper. That's it. And then I'm going to cover her up so that she can be better secured by the soil around her. Oh Lord, this is nerve-wracking, but what do? You have to do the best you can and hope that they'll be fine. So there we go. And now we've got 4 hopes, including this dinky little part of hope. And we have one more hope here who has 2 parts to her. Now, I don't understand where this part is coming from, so I'm still going to try and actually cut her up, despite the fact that I can't work out where she is. But if I cut her up like that, am I taking all the roots? So I'm going to go like this and hope that I'm not killing main hope. Oh my days. Am I going to do it? I know my hand is there, but I'm closing my eyes as I do this. So this is hope, and look, I should have gone a little bit more that way, but let's hope that she will survive. And what we'll do with her is we'll put her in a small pot. No, that's too small. Let me find a pot that's not too small. This one will do. So let's get... Sorry, sweetie. I need to get to the compost so we can get you in. So let's get this hope in as gently as we can. And the potato has fallen off. So fingers crossed that she will survive and that she has enough roots to actually survive. That will be the question. So luckily she's slightly on the side where she won't get overly soaked. And we have to hope that she'll continue to grow. And last but not least, we have our final hope. Okay, this is our final hope. And I need to get a little bit more rooting powder onto this one. And once again, we're going to bury this hope quite deep in the hope that they'll root 2 ways. Okay. Put her in. And then... Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh Lord. That's it. Now we just need to water them all, and I'll bottom water them rather than top watering them, and that will be me done. We have hope. That hope will do well. There we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cuttings of hope. Hopefully they'll survive. So let me bottom water them in this tray, and then I'll put them aside to see how they continue to grow. My aim is for them to continue growing in these pots for probably another month before I put them out, because I believe the deadline is October, if I'm correct, when we will have to be submitting our final. So hope is going to stay in here for another month, and then they'll be planted up. Fingers crossed we will get a successful harvest from them. For today, guys, this is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.